Welcome to the project demonstration of glove operated robot movement along with pick and place arm and also live video streaming with the help of this ESP32 camera. So here from this gloves we are going to control the robot movements, and that robot movements will be input from this MEMS ADXL345 sensor. So the movements are like forward, backward, left, right, stop movements, as well as to up and down the gripper movements. There we have as two switches for these two fingers, middle finger and ring finger, and this index finger come with a flex sensor. So when we are folding little bit, so it will go with the opening, and when you are folding full, then it's go with the closing movement. So these are the main operations, and the communication between the gripper and our receiving module is Zigbee. So further we are using this Zigbee RF module, so which will attach it to the Uno board at this receiver section and the nano board at this transmitter section. So we have interfaced the ADXL345 sensor at A4, A5 pins, and A0 pin for this flex sensor, and 8 and 9 pins for this two buttons, and 0, 1 for this Zigbee module. We have interfaced that. So these are the main input and output modules in the gripper section. And coming to this robotic section, so this gripper section come with the two DC motors which we have attached with the spur gear and worm gear mechanism, and another two motors attached to the robot movements. So the front side we have attached the wheels along with the motors. The back side are normal empty wheels, motors without any motors. And next we have interfaced these two DC motors of the robot movements to this L293D motor driver, and the two DC motors for the gripper movement are interfaced to this L293D motor driver. So these two L293D motor drivers interfaced at the Uno board at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pins. Directly 8 pins for this 4 motors, 2 pins for the per motor for controlling that in forward and backward motion. So in the receiving section, the total system driven by this 12 volt 2 amp battery pack, so which will provide the 12 volts DC power supply for controlling of these 4 DC motors through this L293D motor driver. And the operating voltage of our Arduino Uno along with ESP32 camera for live video transmission is a 5 volts along with the RF. So that 5 volts will be regulated with the help of this LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output directly. And this battery is a rechargeable battery. So before demonstration, keep the battery under full charge. For that purpose, connect the battery at this slot only, like so, this white color slots, and this side transformer should be connected and on the power supply to the transformer. Then it will take around 8 hours maximum to be fully charged. Till that time you should keep the battery under charging only once you utilize that robots in fully utilization. So next, after the time, you can switch off this charging circuit. And the next, for live video transmission purpose, we need to install application, that is a network analyzer application, which is available in the Play Store. So this is the icon of the application in the Play Store. Install that, and now go to hotspot settings of your phone and configure the hotspot name to project 5557 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789 and AB band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these settings successfully done, on the hotspot along with data, now stay on this application. Now we can on the power supply to the whole kit. So this is the main on off switch for the kit. So before that, mount this on your hand. Let us switch. So mount it gently, as it will come with the small wires. Okay, and now connect this battery. So just don't connect in reverse bias, so it may get damage. Right. Okay. So when we are moving this in normal position, you can see one light will off. So when it is forward motion, then another light will get on. So for every successful operation, other than stop, the light will get switched on. Now on the power supply to this robot, so this is the main on off switch. Okay, you can see in the hotspot section, one device will be connected. switch. So here you should see that one device connected, otherwise just supply off and on again. So off it and on it again. Right, now one device connected. Now then go to network analyzer application, options, do LAN scan, and there you get the two IP address. One is Express, that is our ESP32 camera. Copy that and paste it in your Google Chrome. Right, so there we get in the streaming, and for controlling purpose, so coming to the up and down. So there is a down, middle finger, ring finger, up. Okay, and gripper. So gently close this, we'll get that opening, and it's closing now. So let us see on the floor. Now let us see on the floor. Right.